So this is how you would get a good deal with a very tight stop loss and great profit potential, right? So you would do your lower lows, lower highs, or higher highs, higher lows. You would find your market structure. We see we're in higher lows and higher highs here. This was our previous low, right? Our previous low is right here. The moment this candle closed below that previous low, we are officially making a lower low. So now we expect what comes with lower lows, lower highs. It pushes up here to its previous low as resistance or support and pulls back down. Again, this is not my entry right here. I would wait for a better setup. It's a little choppy in here. So what I would do is let it trade back down. Now, here's the case. We don't know how low it's going at this point, right? So what we do is we find the low, which we officially found here. And how do I know that's a low? I wait for the candles to start closing green here, to start turning around. And then I can say, okay, it's obviously not wanting to trade lower right here. This is a low. But this low is lower than its previous low and its previous lows here. So it's way lower than this previous low. If it just made an aggressive lower low like that, odds are we're going to probably see another lower high. So when it pushes up for the good deal, where do we want to buy? Previous resistance levels. Right here. See these previous resistance levels. It bounced here, pushed up to resistance levels, like we said before, rejected that. So it pushed up here, and I could buy on the wicks of these candles if I want to. Guess what? My stop loss is if a candle closes above this white line. If it closed above that white line, it's breaking its previous resistance, and it was probably a fake out and kept going back up, right? But it never closed above the white line. So I'm staying in the short position, trading it where? To its previous low, right here. I would have sold on this candle right here. And it kept going lower, right? But I always sell at previous lows or a little higher than previous lows in my short positions, just in case market structure starts to shift out of nowhere and wants to go back up. I can secure my bag and walk away with my profits. So that's how you find a good deal. You just got to be patient and wait for its previous resistance. Your stop loss is the close of the candle above that resistance, because that would be a higher high. And if you're in shorts, then obviously you don't want to be in shorts during higher highs. So that's what I do. And that's just a very straightforward and simple way to put it. I trade live every single day for my private members. I do every Tuesday for free. If you want to join the Discord, it's in the description below. And it would be great to see you over there. Again, I only do 5 spots in my private mentorship. I want to make sure I can focus on getting them payouts with their prop firms or growing their accounts before I open up another spot. There's 4 taken right now, and this could change the moment I upload this video, and there's 1 available. But other than that, there will be a wait list, and I'm only selecting certain people. So when you apply for it or whatnot, then I will see if you are a good fit for it. There's some people that just aren't good fits for it. So again, I'll see you guys around in the live stream. Tomorrow is Sunday, so I will see you Monday in the live streams.